guess the ringtone with Isaiah and Eric. You have to guess the ringtone.
I don't know.
Oh, Jeremiah.
Jeremiah.
I forgot.
Wait, what the heck?
Go. That boom 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 by Black Eyed Peas. Fuck!
Isaiah got it.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, it's 2-1.
Lil
Wayne, brand new.
Yeah.
Give me that shit. I got 4 or 3.
Lil Wayne,
Say your number after.
I got 3. Nigga.
Oh, they will.
Sierra,
no.
No, not Sierra.
Never ever. No more.
You got it because you got the artist.
What the fuck, no? Nigga.
He almost got it.
I was like, that's not my song. I know.
Fuck, nigga.
Hey, jerk bring your ass over here by New Boys.
No.
By Go Go Power Rangers.
No.
Really reels. Early reels.
Oh.
What's that nigga
No. And it's not the name
What
of it
group is he from? Fucking Cold Flames.
Yeah, but what is it called?
What's what called?
The song. Bring that ass here.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
I feel like jerking, nigga. But what is it?
You don't know the, okay, listen to the chorus, see if you guys can get the name. I like the song anyway, you guys can listen to it. Why is it weird? It'll say it.
Jerk, I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna get out.
Okay, you're trying to listen.
Okay, go.
Okay, can we just change the song? No, because I like this song. My video is still recording.
Get that ass over here, nigga.
No, listen.
Put her ass in the air.
No. Right here.
Get it up.
Yeah.
Nigga, that's a tie, nigga.
That was a tie.
I get half, you get half.
Okay,
Day and night, got it, bro. I said both. No, you didn't say.
You guys said it at the same time. I don't know.
No, he said.
I'm not the judge. You guys are the judges.
It's another half. So
Next one. The camera doesn't lie. We know it.
Lil Wayne,
Nina.
bitch name.
Dick pleaser. Dick
But I said Lil Wayne though.
No, I did too. Rihanna.
There's a movie of it.
Let's go, no homo.
Hey, slide down the pole, E40.
Yeah,
give me that shit, nigga.
Sorry.
I'm too cool right now.
Echo, Gorilla
Zoe, and Weezy. That's well, hey, Weezy in it too. You gotta say
Not all of them.
Stop.
Kanye.
Yeah, but he sings it.
I don't know who it is.
Jadakiss.
I mean, but it's his song,
Kanye
though.
sings it. What is it called? I don't know.
Fight's cool. It's like the first word.
No, it's not.
Chris Brown, Forever.
New colors.
Got it.
You said new colors.
Tony, Genuine.
Eric got it.
Chris Brown.
You. Fucking.
No.
You.
Fuck. You said it did it to yourself? Like, that's
Chris Brown, no. Fuck.
I've been thinking about this all damn day. What's the word? Nigga, the song.
It doesn't even really say it in the song either.
Bro, what is it? Forever.
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark. Fuck, I knew that.
I like it, hun. Oh, I like this song.
Come on.
Beyonce, nigga.
Angels
what the fuck is that shit called? Nigga, right ahead, bro.
You better start giving
Halo, Beyonce, nigga. That's
fuck. Fuck, Isaiah, you're
I'm
losing.
saying that they about to get into it.
Oh yeah.
Kanye West, Cold Heart, Heartless,
Heartless.
Cause you get smashed.
Shh.
I'm telling you, they're about to get too into it.
Lil Wayne. Get off me.
Lil Wayne.
Oh, that's my song.
It's a new song.
Mine too.
It's not that
Lil
new.
Wayne.
No, I love this song.
I don't know this shit, bro.
You want me to tell you?
No.
Not till the chorus what says it.
I know.
What the fuck is this? I heard this before, nigga. I know, I saw my name. Who is it, bro? What's it?
It's Lil Wayne.
I don't know. I quit.
It's Hot Revolver.
Hot Revolver. Fuck, I knew that, bro.
Yeah, I didn't get that.
I know. Doro paint job, ice cream paint job. Nigga, you getting some back, nigga. If I boy Rihanna. Oh, Beyonce. Nigga,
Got you,
fuck.
nigga. What's up? Nigga, what's up?
What you say? That one white bitch.
No, nigga, bro. Jason, something, nigga.
Nigga, it's about girl.
No, it's not.
It's not
Jason, Doraro or some shit.
Jason Doraro.
Jason Doraro.
Jason,
Jason.
what's up?
Dang, he didn't know
What's up,
that.
nigga?
Gay, nigga.
Oh my gay, nigga.
The song is playing.
He rocking.
Knock me down.
No.
Knock you down.
Knock You Down by Kanye.
And
Jay-Z.
My girl.
how do you know her
Carrie
name?
Hilson. I got it, nigga. I got it, nigga.
You're gay,
weak,
nigga. You're gay.
Hey, I'm Millie Lil Wayne. Balls in my nuts. Nigga. Lil Wayne, I'm Millie. Lil Wayne and Millie.
Yeah.
I can't even hear that, bro. Y'all was laughing, bro.
You're weak.
Lollipop
remix with
I really need a pee.
T-Pain and Antonio.
Gabriel Antonio.
Gabriel Antonio got that shit. Yeah, I did, nigga.
Drake.
Drake.
Forever, nigga. What's up?
I want it forever. Yeah, you just said forever, nigga.
Oh, give a fuck, nigga. Lil Wayne. Every girl. Yeah,
Isaiah got it.
Nigga, are you serious? I'm smacking your ass, nigga. Y'all talk shit right now.
Back, nigga. Gorilla's all, nigga.
Oh shit, my sister's running y'all game. Hello? And we're done with this. Where's Damo live?